Welcome back to the channel. If you want complete visibility around your vehicle, the Botslab 3-channel dash cam is built to give you true 360-degree protection. With front, inside cabin, and rear coverage all recording at once, this dash cam is ideal for daily drivers, families, and rideshare professionals who need maximum evidence. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at what makes the Botslab 3-channel system stand out, and why it could be one of the smartest safety upgrades you add to your car. 3-channel 4K dashcam. The Botslab 4K front and 1080p rear/side 3-channel car camera has ultra-wide angles of 170 degrees, 150 degrees, and 120 degrees at the front, rear and sides respectively. This enables you to record your journey without blind spots. The side camera features a magnetic snap-on design and can be disassembled to enable left/right view. Buffered emergency record. The dashcam's G sensor triggers all 3 dash cameras to record 8s before a collision, capturing full incidents as evidence guarding against fraud. Key footage is locked automatically. Built-in GPS logs speed, location routes via Google Maps. Includes a free 128GB card. 3.18-inch touchscreen voice control recording, shooting, and camera switching via voice commands for safer driving. Features a 3.18-inch touchscreen for easy settings adjustment. Built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi enables fast transfers. Use the Botslab app to configure settings, edit clips, download videos, or share moments directly to social media. 24/7 parking monitor with 3 modes. Sentry Mode, auto records 1-minute emergency video when detecting a person within 5 m. Time-lapse, 1 frame per second recording for extended surveillance. Collision detection, locks 1-minute footage on impact. Supercapacitor, easy to install using environmentally friendly supercapacitors, 20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius wide temperature range design, capacitive power supply to eliminate overheating and explosion potential, avoid the risk of freezing and prolong the life of the equipment. The Botslab 3-channel dash cam. With triple camera coverage, crisp video quality, and practical features designed for real-world driving, this dash cam delivers serious protection from every angle. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.